Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing F5-TTS, which is a compact and efficient voice cloning model that you can run locally. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: the installation process can be a little bit tricky and it might not work perfectly for everyone. F5-TTS relies on specific versions of Python packages, and compatibility issues can arise depending on your system configuration. I'm sourcing this information from various online guides, including blog posts on DevOps and GitHub repositories, but I can't guarantee it'll be smooth sailing for everyone. Okay, let's get started. Here's how to install F5-TTS. First, open your command prompt or terminal and create a virtual environment to isolate the installation. This helps avoid conflicts with other Python packages. Use the following commands seen here. Next, you'll need to install PyTorch, a crucial dependency for F5-TTS. Choose the appropriate installation command based on your GPU. For NVIDIA GPUs, here's what you're going to do. While for AMD GPUs, here's what you need to do. Next, port audio is required for audio input and output. Take your system and install the necessary packages. Now, let's install F5-TTS directly from its GitHub or GitHub repository. And here's how you do it. Next is finally run the F5-TTS Gradio web interface with the following command. Once launched, open your browser and navigate to this to access the tool. If you encounter any issues during installation, here are a few things to try. First, ensure you're using a compatible Python version, example of Python 3.10. And then if you have conflicting packages, try creating a new virtual environment. Next is also check the F5-TTS GitHub repository for any reported issues and solutions. And that's it. You successfully installed F5-TTS. Now you can start experimenting with voice cloning and generating realistic speech. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any problems. Thank you for watching.